how to remove an airbag of a Mitsubishi Outlander. Before doing any electrical work on a car, the first thing we want to do is detach the battery from the car, which is done. Only 3 holes, there's no bolts. What you want to do is you want to twist your steering wheel upward with the right hole up. Arc 25 screwdriver. The very bottom, you want to just push it in until it just pops up like this. So from the bottom, you want to do the exact same thing. You want to push it in, and it just comes right off. So to take these clips off, what we want to do is we want to get a screwdriver, a thin screwdriver, just slightly push it in under the yellow pop-outs, and they're just gonna come right off. Slight push here, the first one came off, same as right here. And the last one's left is this guy. That's it.